To everyone watching right now or who is gonna watch this, what's up? My name is INF. I am one of 5 members of SWIDT. Hey!
Malo Lele, my name is Lyncia Muller. Yes, I am Tongan and I am an emerging choreographer, dancer.
What's one word that describes your choreography, I guess, your art?
Relatability. I kind of make work that others can kind of relate to.
I've seen you guys too, like, did you work with Tia? Right?
Yes.
Yeah. So I've seen a lot of your guys on like choreography and dances and stuff like that. And it's interesting how you guys tie in, Pacific and, what's the word? It's like contemporary. Yeah.
Contemporary dance.
Like bringing all these different worlds together, and it's like really refreshing. How does it feel to be showcasing your work or like creative process from home?
I think it's really exciting for me to kind of showcase what I've been working on, but also more nerve-wracking. I think it's more nerve-wracking because people get to see my creative processes, my vulnerability, and how I create choreography.
So what were some of the highlights and challenges you came across during your residency?
The highlights were, I think it's more of creating, making content. That's been basically the highlights. The challenges have been probably the space that I work in. I'm usually, in a studio, in a studio making and creating. I think it's like you, how you're in the studio, right? Yeah. With having like such a small house, it's been harder to know, like kind of do bigger movements or like contemporary dance.
Yeah.
So that's been a bit of a challenge, and also like I don't dance in front of like my family much.
Yeah.
Every time they walk past, I'm like, like, yeah.
I know.
Yeah.
It's like I don't just start like rapping in front of all my family and stuff.
Yeah.
Time and place, but like
time and place.
So coming out of lockdown, how has this changed or like affected your work moving forward?
It's made me think about how grateful I am to be doing what I'm doing, to be able to have an opportunity like the Fale-Ship has made me like really grateful, during COVID and everything that's going on right now. I could be doing, other stuff. I just wanted to thank you for the amazing Zoom. Also, also to Tautai for giving me this opportunity to show my processes, my challenges, and also just for anyone who is creating, trust your processes.